Hi guys, with big update to all of you and congratulations to SLP holders because SLP is now listed and traded over Hotbit exchange with very good profit plus 596. Yeah, right now I'm going to show you live. So let's get it friend and started. But before proceeding, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel if you are new one and you are the passionate for earning crypto as well as earning much more money from DeFi money market. Okay friends, and also don't forget to follow my all the social media because sometime when I am busy at that time I provide you a free signal initially as well as VIP signals to get enroll and get fast rapid in income friend. So right now this is my portfolio here and you can see friend that I am having I have sold some here SPT and no SLP, sorry, because SLP I was also having. So let's start trade. So right now we are here at SLP and I tried to sold some, but right now I was able to sold my something 20 coin at the rate of 0.0025, that is near about 60 cent friend. It's really 0.6 dollar. It's the great amount because now let me compare now friend, and this is the you know when seller and buyer, although it is a huge difference here, but the people are coming and as well as the people know that the trading is started, the hype would be very high and it could, I think, may be definitely 10x from here also, 5 to 10x. I'm assuming and watching this one for last 2 days because on every 12 to 14 and 18 to 24 hours they are just having 5 to 10x graph. Yeah, so let's compare now to CoinGecko, and the right now the rate is 0.0007 and 0.1819 dollar here in CoinGecko. And if you want to buy, I would like to share you some information friend that is very informational, but please do your due diligence because it is my not my recommendation and suggestion. But if you are the crypto lover and know something and want to take some risk, so just do your own friend. Okay, but if you get some smart profit, please do not forget to donate in my YouTube channel for the humanity because we are growing for all of you friend, and best of luck from our end. So right now you can buy this one from 0.18, and simply let me show you on Trust Wallet that how you can make the profit from here. As I just bought from Uniswap, from the amount was near about 0.15 or 16 around, or 17 maybe, but now price is very good from here. So you can buy from Uniswap and directly trade to Hotbit. It would hardly take a 5 to 15 minutes to deposit. And let me show you. So friend, this is simply you, what you need to do, just click over this link. As you click over this link, okay, this one where the rate is very low from V1 version, click here and copy that one and just go to your Trust Wallet friend. So as you enter in your Trust Wallet, that will be automatically connected and you have to click on the dep option and just paste this link over this browser, and this interface would in front of you. Just click over here what the amount you want to buy. So I would like to buy 0.1 Ethereum. So right now I am having 1.27, but if I am switching to V1 I would get more coins to buy from here, and after that you have to withdraw the coin friend. Okay, so just what you need to do, just click over here, and after coming here you have to click over your small the coin, and after that you have to send. So just paste the deposit link of your Hotbit exchange or Bilaxy, because they are listed over two exchanges now. And so let's verify their social media that where they are right now So let's switch to Twitter if they have announced, because I have already trading over Hotbit, but I don't know about the Galaxy, but definitely it would be listed over Galaxy, and they have also announced for that. Uh, but I think they did not share about this. Why? Why? Yeah, it may be. So I'm in hurry, friend, because I have to do also trading and earning much more money from DApp, because I'm the great lover and passionate for DApp right now, and doing and bringing a lot of things for you. So fam, support me to grow my channel as well as the community, and together we would earn and grow very much from this crypto and risky market even. But friend, never greedy too much, okay? Because I missed 10x to 20x from SLP, because sold in very low amount due to being dump, and it got 10x, friend. So I was repenting. So just take accordingly your risk. Okay, so best of luck, and let's see again that's what going on in Hotbit. So in Hotbit, the again is same, no more trade happen. Let's check it. So this is the last price 0.0025, and it is already plus 596% plus. So that's awesome, friend. It's near about 6x from the price of CoinGecko, and especially from the Uniswap. So this is the trade. You can check it out, friend. It was 10 coins, 0.0025. I think I sold this. Yeah, 0.0025. Yeah, 6. Yeah, these are the coins. The actually the volume is very low here, but as long the people know, they would definitely trade more. And I would like to say you and share the information that if you are trading over this one Hotbit, so just trade over a little one amount, because if you are coming from the big amount, it may be some problem for you if you are the new one. Okay, so take care, friend, and good luck. And I hope we would earn a lot of money from here, because a very good arbitrage. You can buy from the Uniswap and deposit your money to Hotbit. Initially you can do from 0.01 to 0.05 to 0.1. It's enough for your demo. But if you get some profit, so just do it. For example, I made some profit of 0.05 from here, and after that now I'm trading again as a buying from here 0.0004. As a buyer also I am having, and you can see here this is my buy bid for this. If somebody is selling in the lowest, so I would buy, and this would be the just half price of the Uniswap, friend. So if the Hotbit trading is going to be dump, I can switch from here and sell my coin again to Uniswap. Yeah, friend, so you must have to be dual expert. Okay, if you are making some money, so earn from the buy both trades. Okay, so thank you, and see you in the next video. If there are much more information regarding some of the best and hot gem, I would definitely share you, because hot cake gems and very hidden gems are just in front of my eyes, and our team is definitely searching day by day, digging a lot of and doing a lot of work for you. So please do something, friend. Thank you very much, and best of luck for this one. But again, would like to remind you, don't be greedy and don't invest over your risk budget. Thank you. Please subscribe and share to your fans.